Hi, my name is Andrew Hunt and I run a business called Computer Coaching. We've been working with Dicadata to bring you a great solution to your customers' training needs. Microsoft talk about a thing called the consumption gap. They're telling us that with every new version of Office, fewer and fewer people are using the latest features, and that kind of makes sense. But what you probably didn't know is that over 80% of the feature requests Microsoft get for Office are from features that are already in the tool. So let's work with you now to show you how you can unleash that functionality so your customers can have a much better experience with Office, and they're going to be eternally grateful to you for helping them do that. Computer coaching is a radical new way that you can add value to your customer, you can add revenue to your top line and profit to your bottom line while having a better customer relationship. So computer coaching is about 3 hours at your customer site, not 1 or 2 days off-site in a classroom. It's about 90 minutes of instructor-led training, 90 minutes of floor walking. It's relevant content. It's stuff that they need to know, not stuff that's nice to know. It's in plain English and it's documented so that once we're finished, they're left with a quick tip guide that makes sense to them. So we coach in Excel, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Word, would help with Office upgrades. Skype for Business is really popular. One of our most popular courses is Productivity Tips for Outlook, helping customers to get control of their inbox and use Outlook more effectively every single day. So when do you need coaching? Well, the truth is that most users have never actually been shown how to get the best out of Office. They've simply found their way themselves. They look at a screen in Word or Excel and they go, gosh, look at that brilliant ribbon of features. I wonder what they do. One day I'll have a look and try and work that out. But of course that one day never comes. They're simply too busy. Add Computer Coaching will come in, we'll see how they work, and we'll say, hey, did you know that you could do that 5 times quicker if you simply use this tool that's here? If you right-click here, or if you use this menu option, that's going to make that job easier. And while we're doing it, we can make it better at the same time. That's what computer coaching is about. It's highly relevant, highly specific to the user because we work with them on the jobs they do to make them better at it. It's a huge return on investment for a very small cost indeed. And best of all, your customer's going to love you because you're the one that introduced this radical new idea to them. Efficiency is power, and if you can save your customer just half an hour a day, or even only half an hour a week equates to 25 hours a year. Wow, what a return on investment. Is there anything else you can do that will give your customer a return on investment that's quite so significant? So when should you sell it? Well, the answer is, when shouldn't you sell it? Surely every client conversation should talk about how the tools that you're providing for them are used, and are they used as effectively as possible? Especially if you're doing an upgrade. There's no point selling the latest version of Office, the latest version of Skype, the latest version of anything at all, unless you help the customer to turn on the new features that are relevant to them. And that's where we can help. But as I said earlier, 80% of functionality requests from Microsoft get are for tools that are already there. So don't wait for a new version. Let's get an ongoing upskilling program running in your clients today. You can sell your client a coaching program every month or every 2 weeks where we go around and rotate through the users so they're always getting a small degree of personal development. You'll be getting regular revenue and your customer's getting regular value. You're making that customer so sticky that they're going to love you forever. So why sell computer coaching? Well, firstly, you're adding revenue and value straight away, and that's going to drive profit straight to your bottom line. Computer coaching is an easy clip-on that you can get from the great team here at Dicadata. Log on to the Modern Biz website, find the content, and we'll be happy to come out and help you add revenue today. Computer coaching is going to give you a different client conversation. You're going to be talking about user value. You're going to be talking about productivity. You're not going to be talking about issues. You're talking about getting more from the IT, not talking about downtime. Computer coaching is a way for you to lift your conversation up the value chain and for you to lift your customers' perception so that they are absolutely having a fabulous experience working with you. So why choose computer coaching and why choose Dicadata? Well, we've been doing computer coaching now for a number of years and there won't be much we haven't seen. We've packaged the coaching in a turnkey solution, so even though it's unique for your client, we've got a rich library of resources that we can draw upon to deliver just the right package for your client at an affordable price. Computer coaching is simply the easiest way for you to add value and revenue at no cost for your client. We've worked with a wide variety of clients. There won't be much we haven't seen, and above all, we can make it flexible to fit their unique requirement. That's what coaching's all about. Unique to their requirement. Flexible, fit for purpose. And above all, computer coaching is the most efficient way for you to help your customer get the skills they need to use the tools you've already sold them to the best advantage. Your customer is simply going to love you for delivering computer coaching. Now, we get partnering. We understand that you want to own the building relationship. That's just fantastic. We're really good with that. What we want to do is do such a great job for you that you get us in not just for this customer, but for every customer that you've got. We're building a long-term relationship with you, and we're only going to do that by providing the best service for you, the best conversations. We're going to provide you with the best communication, the best documentation, and above all, we're going to provide you with a loyal base of clients that absolutely rave about this fabulous service so that you have new business coming out your ears. Computer coaching is a radical new way of delivering IT training. We've rethought the IT training process. No longer is it about going to a classroom somewhere miles away and learning material that's not really terribly relevant at a pace you can't really understand. Instead, we'll come to your customer. We'll deliver just the tools they need, just the skills they're after, in a way that's relevant to them and the way that they work. We'll do it either individually or in small groups. We'll do it either for a new project where you're rolling out a new version of Office or Skype for Business, or we'll do it on an ongoing training program that gives you recurring revenue month after month, year after year. It's going to make your customers more sticky, more loyal, and above all, raving enthusiasts for you and your business. Computer coaching is simply the easiest way for you to add revenue today to your top line and profits to your bottom line while making your customers more loyal. Just think about that. That's the holy triumvirate. Adding revenue, adding profits while increasing client loyalty. Is there anything else that can do that? The answer is no. So what's left to do? Computer Coaching Co. NZ and Dicker Data. We've got the right solution for you to add value to your customers today. Go for it.